Welcome to my YouTube channel, Australian Bisaya. Ngayon, galing ako sa work, tapos may nabili ako smartwatch. So ngayon, ipaprang ko na bumili ako ng mamahaling smartwatch. So, ang reaction niya. So, tignan natin mamaya. So, very interesting. Tignan mo yung taong walang pahinga from car. Guys, mag-unboxing na tayo ng ating Apple Watch. Darling, I bought buy an Apple Watch from my friends at work. Be fine. Yeah. The latest one, Series 6. Yeah. So, what is your reaction? What are you gonna say? Huh? Do you know how much it costs? No? Higher? 749. It's like 750. Yes. So, no, I didn't tell you that you can't buy again. So you need to can buy too because you work hard, you know. Yeah, I just treating myself. What? 25? How much is that? Oh no! So could you please help me to? We don't have any money now. Because I already spent it here. So look at guys, a smartphone shop. So it's very good. So I need two smartwatch or a lemon watch or Apple watch. Yes, 249.
Why did you tell me about it?
It's a surprise. Why?
Surprise is how much it costs.
749. Why it's rip-off, darling? This is the latest one now. It's like I can connect it to my phone. I can answer a call from this one while I'm driving. I just press the button and said, "Oh, hello, babe, I'm here, blah, blah, blah." So you need to be happy, right? You don't believe it? Really? Why not? Oh, you're spending money. So you don't believe that it's worth 750? Huh? Have a look. Feel it and touch it. I have an Apple Watch now. A lemon one. So, you're happy? Hi? Tell me the real feelings, darling. What you feel? It's a surprise. No, I didn't vlog now. I turned it off. Yes, I did. I turned it off. Darling, it says something. Love, you're happy for me? Hey? Happy? Happy?
Congratulations.
Darling, it's a prank! You know how much it costs? $19! Huh? A lemon watch. Lemon watch. The brand is lemon. It's not an apple, it's a lemon. $19? Yes. You need to connect it now, please. You help me? $19 plus $10 or $11 shipping, which is cost only $30. So happy now? I didn't spend much. Yeah, I know. But I don't want to spend a lot of money only for the watch anyway. You know that. It's a prank, guys. Walang comment. Unboxing my smartwatch. Finally, I got one now. So, it's not very expensive. Affordable lang. Pero smart siya. So, tomorrow, i-connect ko siya sa cellphone ko. Thank you, Ate Susan. Sa pagpauli ani. It's not bad, guys. Only $30. And then, smart na. So, I'll try it on tomorrow. Excited. So, hello guys. So, murag wa man na ilad, guys. Ang akong banana. Kay ba man dyan siya nga. Dili dyan ko mahiling mamalit o mamahaling butang yun. Kay, napay mas laing priority gawas ana. So, try na lang taaning baratohon. Kay mamaora man sa siya forma. Di ba sa siya mailhan. So, yan, I'm happy na sa akong $30 nga lemon watch. Thank you. Thank you, Tisa Usan sa nga phone. Phone? Na watch. So, thank you for watching, guys. God bless.